Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. Are you ready to start your own notary business but don't know where to begin? You've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple, step-by-step guide to help you launch your notary business successfully. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what steps to take to get your business up and running. Let's get started. Before continuing the video, let's introduce you to BZ. BZ is a professional formation service company to file your LLC. It's an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. The full review of BZ is also given in the description box down below. What are the state public licensing requirements for a notary business? The requirements to become a notary public vary from state to state. A notary business needs an active state notary public license and, depending on the state, general liability insurance or a surety bond. The state will issue a notary commission if an applicant meets all of the requirements of that state. There is more to starting a successful notary business than simple registration with your state. Costs for supplies and other fixed or recurring business expenses must be considered. Your notary supplies and other expenses should be professional but can also be affordable. Now, you might be thinking, do I need an LLC for a notary business? LLCs are a simple and inexpensive way to protect your personal assets and save money on taxes. You should start an LLC when there's any risk involved in your business or when your business could benefit from tax options and increased credibility. LLCs are also affordable, highly flexible, from a tax point of view, and can make your notary public business seem more credible. Let's discuss the benefits. By starting an LLC for your notary business, you can protect your savings, car, and house with limited liability protection. Have more tax benefits and options. Increase your business's credibility. Limited liability protection. LLCs provide limited liability protection. This means your personal assets, car, house, bank account, are protected in the event your business is sued or if it defaults on a debt. Notary businesses will benefit from liability protection because of the risks that come with owning almost any business, including things like trademark infringement and workplace injuries. Notaries act as witnesses to the signing of legal documents, meaning there is a lot of personal interaction with clients. This could be in the notary's office or even in the home of the client or notary. An LLC will also protect your personal assets in the event of commercial bankruptcy or loan default. To maintain your LLC's limited liability protection, you must maintain your LLC's corporate veil. LLC tax benefits and options for a notary business. LLCs, by default, are taxed as a pass-through entity, just like a sole proprietorship or partnership. This means that the business's net income passes through to the owner's individual tax return. The business's net income is then subject to income taxes, based on the owner's tax bracket, and self-employment taxes. Credibility and consumer trust. Notary businesses rely on consumer trust. Credibility plays a key role in creating and maintaining any business. Businesses gain consumer trust simply by forming an LLC. A growing business can also benefit from the credibility of an LLC when applying for small business loans, grants, and credit. Let's understand the steps how to form an LLC. Step 1. Plan your business. The first and most crucial step to starting your notary business is planning. A solid business plan helps you outline your goals, identify potential challenges, and map out the specifics of how you'll operate. Ask yourself the following questions. What will you name your business? What are the startup and ongoing costs? Who is your target market? How much will you charge your customers? Choosing a memorable and unique business name is essential, and you may need some help brainstorming. Check out online guides or name generators to spark some ideas. And remember, it's vital to make sure the name you choose is available by searching state business records, federal and state trademark databases, social media platforms, and web domain availability. Step 2. Form a legal entity. Now that you've got a plan, it's time to make it official. Forming a legal entity for your business is a critical step. While many small businesses operate as sole proprietorships or partnerships, consider forming a limited liability company, LLC. An LLC protects your personal assets, such as your home and savings, from any business-related liabilities, such as lawsuits or debts. It also gives your business a more professional appearance. Forming an LLC sounds complicated and expensive, but using an entity formation service guides you through the process so you know it was done right. Most popular service is Busy, renowned for its free service. For just $0 plus state fees, clients can enjoy preparing and filing the articles of organization with a complimentary registered agent service for the first year. This comprehensive package not only ensures top-notch privacy safeguards but also provides excellent value for money. With Busy, customers can rest assured that their easy, fast, and effective service, allowing them to focus on their business endeavors with confidence. Step 3. Register for taxes. Before you can start making money, you need to make sure you're set up to pay taxes. This includes both state and federal taxes. To get started, apply for an Employer Identification Number, EIN. It's free and easy to do online. Keep in mind that there might be specific state taxes that apply to your business, so be sure to research what's required in your state. Step 4. Open a business bank account and credit card. To keep your finances in order, open a separate bank account and credit card for your business. This step is vital for protecting your personal assets and making tax season much less stressful. A dedicated business account helps separate your personal finances from your company's finances, which is necessary for personal asset protection and makes accounting much easier. Step 5. Set up business accounting. Proper accounting is the backbone of any successful business. Make sure you're recording all expenses and income accurately. This will help you understand how your business is performing and simplify your tax filings. Consider using a dedicated accounting software or hiring an accountant to help keep your books in order. Step 6. Obtain necessary permits and licenses. Every business needs the proper permits and licenses to operate legally. Depending on your location, there may be specific state and local licenses required for a notary public business. Visit your state's business licensing office or the SBA's reference page for more information. Step 7. Get business insurance. Insurance is your safety net. It protects your business from unexpected events that could otherwise be financially devastating. Start with general liability insurance, which is the most common type of coverage for small businesses. If you have employees, you'll likely also need workers' compensation insurance. Research the types of coverage that are best suited to your business's needs. Step 8. Define your brand and create your online presence. Lastly, it's time to define your brand. Think about what makes your notary business unique and how you want to be perceived by your clients. One of the best ways to establish your brand is to create a professional website and set up a business phone system. A website helps customers find you online, learn about your services, and contact you easily. Now, I'm going to show you how to start an LLC using Busy, and in the description down below you also find a review of their service. They are one of the best entity formation platforms in the market that charges $0 for their service. Now, let me just show you what types of services Busy provides to business owners. After arriving on their website, you will see the list of all the services they provide. Under the Start Your Business section, you will see 4 of their key services, which are form an LLC, C Corporation, S Corporation, and Nonprofit. As you can see, there are 3 different packages: Silver, Gold, and Platinum. And the first thing that's worth mentioning is that the state fee does not change. You can see it's $236 in all the packages. Some of the extra services that are included in this package are preparing and filing the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent for 1 year, and unlimited phone and email support. Next, the Gold package, which costs $249. And this is the package I highly recommend, with filing EIN, which is a business tax number, Form 2553. It also comes with operating agreement, business bank account, lifetime company alerts, tax consultation, etc. In the next section, BZ is asking you to provide your LLC name and its designation. After that, they ask you whether you want to get a registered agent through them or not. Getting a registered agent is a legal requirement in order to file an LLC in any state. BZ is providing registered agent service free for 1 year. And after that, it's $119 per year. BZ is asking you whether you want to get an EIN or not. Then if you want to get a free tax strategy or consultation call with them. In the BZ dashboard, if you go to Legal and then Licenses and Permits, they can do this research for you and make sure that you have all the proper licenses and permits. After providing all the information, BZ will be the one handling all the documents and registering your LLC on your behalf, so you won't need to go through any of these hassles. And there you have it. By following these 8 steps, you'll be well on your way to launching a successful notary business. Remember, every great business starts with a great plan, and the effort you put in now will pay off in the long run. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on starting and running a successful business.